Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Trucker Path app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Trucker Path is a popular navigation and resource app built specifically for truck drivers, offering tools to make life on the road easier. The app includes real-time parking availability, truck stop locations, weigh station statuses, fuel prices, and trip planning tools. Drivers can also access community-driven updates for more accurate information and even find nearby repair shops or rest areas. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many drivers praise Trucker Path for its accurate parking data, active community reporting, and user-friendly map interface. The fuel price comparison feature helps save money, and the weigh station status updates can prevent unnecessary stops. The trip planner is also a strong point, helping drivers find truck-friendly routes and avoid restricted roads. Still, it's not without its downsides. Some users mention occasional outdated or missing parking information in less busy areas. The free version has limited features compared to the premium subscription, and the app can sometimes lag when loading maps or community updates in low-signal areas. There are also reports of inaccurate weigh station data during off-peak hours. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Trucker Path app may be worth using if you're a truck driver looking for a reliable, community-powered navigation and resource tool. It excels in parking availability tracking, route planning, and driver-specific amenities. However, if you need fully accurate data in rural areas or prefer not to pay for premium features, you might find certain limitations. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.